Y'all, what's up? Yeah, yeah. Whatever, let's get started with this video.
Hey guys.
BJ,
What?
hi. Me say hey hi.
So y'all remember when we played this game before?
Yeah, but we played this game before. So if I'm boss at it, don't
We'll
judge me.
see that.
If I'm boss at it, don't judge me. Wait, what?
You don't even remember how to play the game.
Oh, no, yes I do. They just added a new thing. It's called slow down.
What do you think I'll slow down?
I don't know.
It's just wrong, but when you can't jump, like what was it? The chicken can't.
Oh yeah, you can turn it in slow motion. I was like, wait, what is slow motion?
You don't got.
Shut up, people. Trust me, guys. I still remember how to play this.
Dang.
I'm just a little rusty.
How you doing in slow
Like, cause this
motion?
game had updates and stuff. I'm gonna always be recording just in case I do something awesome. Shut up, Eva.
Booyah!
Yeah.
You can pass. You can go to the next level now.
I've been going to the next level. Oh yeah, you're supposed to go in slow motion, right?
No, you're supposed to slide down. Like this. 100 coins!
Please shut up.
So guys, I think our goal is going to be to complete 1,000 coins.
1,000?
Yeah.
No, it'd be that much level. It'd be more than 50 levels.
And how about you do 800 coins?
Yeah, sure, 800.
So our goal is going to be 800.
No, get three stars on every level. I mean, I'm gonna have to redo this level.
Yeah.
I only got 2 stars.
Get 3 stars on every level.
I remember that. Guys, comment down below if y'all guys remember this video. Like, comment down below. I
Like when
remember.
we had our other YouTube channel. And George deleted it. Like,
I did not delete. Oh, that YouTube channel.
Like our first YouTube channel was like trash.
Yeah, it was so trash.
YouTube BJ.
They will make this more indifferent.
Like
Get mine's better.
no. You have you have better games.
Yeah, because we did not know how to record games on that. Oh! What does it say? Win a chicken.
You can finally pass the level.
Shut up, people.
Probably in real life, chickens cannot touch the ground with their heads.
What does it mean by win a chicken? Ooh!
Got 18 kills.
Win a chicken, BJ.
What is that?
It's in the update.
What is this?
Oh yeah, new chicken. This is second chicken.
That is a hen. That's a hen.
Can't you just buy the chickens?
Nope.
Yeah, 150 or do a crane.
No. Elijah just wasted his coins.
Don't judge me. It was a win a chicken. I couldn't do that.
You couldn't just keep that whatever kind of chicken that is.
Yeah, I couldn't. My goal is to earn super chicken again.
Like, what kind of chicken is that?
I want super chicken again.
What kind of chicken?
He is so flexible.
What kind of chicken is that?
A chicken?
Real? That's a regular chicken?
Yes. You see how ugly it is, right?
Which better chicken you got?
Oh! Ooh, that thing would have been so cool if I had, if I could actually landed a...
So, what's your favorite chicken?
A chicken.
For real?
Super chicken.
Okay. Ew! It's just so disgusting when they put their mouths in the milk of the
Shut up,
animals. You shut up, cuz.
Can you put your mouth inside the mouth of your boyfriend?
Nah. They never kissed.
You kiss your dad.
You didn't let me finish. I didn't kiss like a young.
You kiss your dad.
He's not like young.
Shut up, bro. Ow, my eye. So yeah, we're gonna put down the volume because I don't really care about the volume. But you guys probably want to hear the volume, so I quit. Nah, just kidding.
So guys, share down in the comments what game you gonna play next.
Yeah, and a good catchphrase from your favorite video.
This is like kind of my favorite.
Why? I'm gonna do a winner chicken. Winner chicken. With this ugly little chicken frame. Yes, that means I get 10 eggs, but what the eggs even do?
See, you could like buy. See, go home. You can buy the characters with eggs.
You can.
Wait. Go to characters.
How am I supposed to know where to go to characters?
I don't know. Eggs.
Oh, they cost eggs. Oh.
And who wants to waste that cream?
Eggs. Oh. That means you have to get a cream.
Yeah, but you'll be lucky if you get same.
Nope, dying. I'm gonna die because I need the coins.
But you're gonna be really lucky if you get the same.
I'm dying again because I need those coins. Remember you was a flaming chicken?
Ugh! You can't
Flaming
not.
chicken.
Oh yeah, that's my name.
So I wish y'all can share down in the comments Temple Run. How? Pooh.
Do not do Pooh, Subway Surfers, or Temple Run. Okay, guys? Don't do any of those.
Hey guys, share down in the comments
Why you keep saying put down in the comments?
if you like Javar's YouTube channel.
Well, duh, they subscribed.
They just
Hopefully.
They just want to subscribe to subscribe.
Yeah, because they love me. Who wouldn't?
Oh my gosh! Oh my god!
They were trying to bribe me. They were like,
If you want
they say,
ads.
no, they say spend $1 does not do ads. So then they try to bribe me by putting some money down, like you'll get 1,000 coins.
You want 1,000 points. Hey Javar, would you be like excited if you get super chicken in the
Duh, that thing is so flexible.
Okay, super chicken is not the best.
Yes, he is.
That is probably like
Super Chicken and Batman Chicken are the best. If y'all guys would watch my previously videos, y'all would have seen them already.
Tumble!
Y'all would see how awesome he is. You see, guys, I'm trying to die on purpose every time I don't earn the
Hey
coins.
guys, did you ever see Javar Johnson play an Obby on Roblox before?
Yeah.
No.
Yes, he did.
You never played an Obby.
Yes, I did.
The only Obby I saw you play on the videos of David's at grandma's house.
Yeah, but wasn't that an obby?
No.
So why you say the only obby you saw me play?
Because it wasn't an Obby.
So why would you say the only obby you saw?
Because it wasn't an
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our first annual tournament.
Oh, let me see this.
We got the chicken.
I'm not really gonna see this. I just see this.
Piglets are looking pretty good. Chicklets are not too far behind. Oh my gosh, piglets are on fire. The chicklets.
You want that one?
No, why did I even click it? Me and Peter will think about downloading this before one day.
Alright, ladies
Tappy
and
shot.
gentlemen, welcome to our first annual tournament, March Meet.
Oh, you can play real characters.
Oh yeah, let's go. Tap the dunk. Fine, fine. This is what for you guys. This is gonna be in my next video, or the next, or the next, or the next. What? Oh,
How about you play another Obby so I can really see it?
I can go back on the Roblox.
Yeah, do it after this.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I finally passed this level.
Oh God!
Shut up. Oh! Man,
That was so close.
no, it wasn't. I just landed it. Did you please get that down?
You agreed to play more Chucky when we got here.
Yeah, I did. I never told me it wasn't. Please, super sumo. That makes sense. Sumo chicken. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, depending on what chickens you get, change the backgrounds. Yeah, but I prefer the first, second.
Wait, let me see what the second chicken is.
It's the same as the. Oh, I like the first one the best.
It's more like a sunny day.
Your face is more like a sunny day.
Finally!
Why are you in my head? Stop, my head hurts. Stop, Eva. See, this is why I don't want to do stuff now. I'll pick up all your stuff.
I was still watching.
Yeah, on YouTube.
Yeah.
Why are all these ads showing up?
That's the nice.
I mean, like, who don't like me?
Your mom.
You're dead. Oh! God, I'm trying to get all the coins. Sorry, this is annoying, but try to be in my shoes right now, guys. Yep, I passed, but I didn't get all the coins. So we have to restart, guys.
Let's see.
Why do I keep clicking it? I'm trying to press the back button, but it keeps making me click it. Shut up. Stop it, Eva. Try and concentrate. Yeah, unsubscribe to Shadow Zero. If he even had a video. He was doing the giveaway, but then his giveaway ended up because he tried to trade what he was giving away.
Yeah.
Oh, suck you, dude. Why can't I get that one egg?
It's retarded.
Your face is retarded.
Well, yeah, well, your daughter's retarded.
Why do you keep saying my daughter?
Because you're gonna marry. Who is marrying?
Guys, I'm probably gonna post like 3 videos today because I'm gonna do like a continuing.
Wait. Remember, you're gonna do that obby.
No,
Yes, you are.
I said I'll show you an obby that I did on my videos before.
No, you're gonna play one.
Yeah. I'm gonna play it on the video that I did it on. I'm gonna show you the video that I did an obby on.
Who's gonna make another one?
No.
Yeah.
I hate doing obbies.
Someone keep commenting.
We have offices in North Charleston, Somerville, and now West Texas. Back when I was a Navy attorney, my case is my
Feels like Jozuka.
Shut up.
Jozuka.
I'm about to end this video once I get these all coins. Why do I keep passing this level without the coins? Oh, a joy.
Yo, wait. And how's I level up?
Oh, yes! Yes!
You passed it.
I'm replaying this. Look. Thank you. Oh, see how I passed it.
So I'm a stay ninja
Like
forever.
this, like this. I jumped on that to get to there. Finally!
Bro, I'm a stay ninja forever.
Thank you guys for watching this little
Jabbar?
video. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you all guys have a good day and stuff. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, comment down below what you want to see next. Comment down below what a good thing you want me to say every video with the kiddio. Okay, guys? We're good.
Yeah, we can pick up Chopper right now and make a video.
Okay. See ya. I got a link.
We can play Milk Chocolate.
Bye.